Welcome everyone. We've got pre-London Open. Welcome to the channel, guys. Happy to have you guys here. We are doing a nightly live session. So welcome. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We post live videos every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're joining us now, please hit that like button, and welcome to the channel, guys. Super happy to have you guys. We're going to be going over some trades that we went over this morning, kind of just look over the charts and kind of see how everything panned out. So yeah, guys, welcome. We're going to, in the meantime, just before we go over all the trades that we were looking at this morning, I'm just going to set up the description, so just bear with me as we have more people join our live. I'm just going to edit the description. All right, guys, let's take a look and see. It should be live and all set up. So that is good to go. I'm just going to check something here. Welcome everyone that are just joining us. We are about to start shortly. Please bear with me. Just finishing up here, and then we'll get all started, guys. Just gonna wait for a couple more people to join us. Meantime, we can kind of take a look at the charts. So we got USDJPY, literally as predicted. So look for sells below the ski level. Beautiful. We did get that push, so we are looking at this nice double top formation here. We did also get that strong momentum. Price pulled back up to this previous key level of support, now becoming future resistance. We did get the double wick rejection, double top pattern within this level, so we can start looking for sells. Perfect opportunity. Obviously, right now we are at the lowest point. Ideally, you want to get an entry around this area here, but it's looking like good sells for USDJPY short term. Should target these lows. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Those people that are just joining us. It's been a long day, so I've been up since 5:30 a.m. And Eastern Standard Time is 1 a.m. right now, and then I'm going to be waking up tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. as always. I do live streams every single day, Monday through Friday at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're new, welcome, guys. This is a good potential trade, guys. I'm probably going to get on a sell right now before I go to just something that I'm looking at. And we did see price respect, this market structure that I was talking about earlier in my previous live stream. And if you guys look at my previous live stream, you'll be able to see that I was actually predicting price to, go in this direction. So I'm looking for USDJPY potentially come to these lows here, looking at good potential, roughly around 129 pips. So yeah, this is a really good trade to get in. Thanks to whoever's joining us. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome to the channel. Let me know if you guys need help with anything, any pairs that you're looking at. Just let me know. Don't be shy. Feel free to comment below in the chat box. Gold. What can I tell you guys? I mean, gold was something I was looking at. Remember this morning I told you guys nothing about sells, nothing about buys. Do not get in. And I was very clear about that. Just because gold was just ranging, right? I saw that clearly as the sky. You know what I mean? I just saw it so clear, and I was like, guys, we cannot get in. We need to wait for some sort of a breakout. And we got that push to the upside finally, but that still isn't enough. We did see price exhaust, which is good. What we want to see is a continuation to the upside. So until we don't get that continuation, we do not want to do anything with gold just yet. So I think gold will have a good potential trade opportunity for tomorrow, even potentially tonight, guys. So we just got to keep an eye out on it, wait for some bigger moves come in, and we can start going from there. When did you get in? Mr. Dr. Dollar, what are you referring to, my friend? Are you referring to USD JPY? You could see gold potentially coming to retest these lows here, and then we need to see gold break this level here before we can start looking for full-on buys. Let's play BGMI. Hi. Welcome, man. Welcome. Feel free to comment in the chat box if you have any questions or anything like that. Let me know. I'm here to help, guys. Also appreciate you guys liking this video. It just shows me that you guys you enjoy watching these videos, these live streams, and yeah. Let's play PGMI. Absolutely, man. Let's take a look at Euro USD. I'll take a look at Euro USD for you. And if you're new to the channel, man, welcome. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. What's it, Euro US? We were looking at that earlier. Yes. We got that rejection. So this is good. 4-hour chart. This is what we want, guys. This is what we want. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at strong momentum. We've seen price range for a while in the bigger picture. Okay. And obviously previously we talked about this level of how significant this level of support was and how price broke it. After a strong push to the downside, we broke even these lows here, this level here. So obviously we were expecting a price rejects this level, we can start looking for potential buys, but we're not in this right now. We're looking at the market down here. So that's what matters. It's irrelevant anything here right now. So as you guys can see earlier, even you can look at my previous live streams, You can see that price, we were expecting price to pull back, which it did, right? And you can see my arrows here that I've left in place since the morning. Excuse me. And then we're expecting price to continue downwards potentially. And what I said, if you listen to my live stream from today, this morning, I did mention that I wanted to see some sort of rejection. So what can I expect right now for Euro USD? Some sort of a double top formation, or some sort of a consolidation and a lot of rejection for me to start looking at potential sells and a continuation to the downside. And then a break of these lows here, these lows right here, before we actually start looking for sells, like proper sells. Again, this is the 4 hour, right? So what we want to see right now, price has no form, right? Like even on the 1 hour, like it doesn't even look like a trend or anything, right? It's just, we just got that strong push back up and then price started to pull back, right? So like I said, we can kind of expect price to come back up to this level, this key level of support, form some double top formation, triple top. We don't know, right? But we can expect that and then kind of wait and see for rejection. If you see price kind of pull back in, then we know that this was an entire fake out this entire time, right? So that's stuff that we want to look at, and this kind of helps us identify what the market is potentially doing, guys. So it's really important, guys, to always keep an eye out on that. I hope that was helpful. I hope that's what you were hoping to hear. Let me know if you found that helpful, or if you can understand it a little bit better. Like right now, I'm not really looking to get into Euro USD. It's just something that I would keep on my radar and look at. So, like I said, let's just wait for some sort of more rejections. We want this. That wick rejection right there indicates that Euro USD is still bearish. That's what we want, guys. You can see USD JPY as well, bearish. So that means the US dollar's starting to weaken. That's good. Good potential sells. No worries. Let's play PGMI. Don't know your full exact real name. Feel free to let me know if you want. But just want to thank you, man. Thank you. And I'm happy that I was able to help you out. So welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. Anyone else need some help, guys? Comment it below if you want me to go over any charts. I won't be here for too long because I will be I'm back at it again at 6:30 a.m. every single day, Monday through Friday. The evenings or pre-London, I always like to come in. It's just kind of like a little added bonus for you guys. Obviously I appreciate the support, guys. So with the channel. So yeah, guys, let's take a look at a few more trades before we call it a night. My Yankee. Okay, it's nice. Where are you from? I'm from Canada, my friend. But my background is from Nicaragua, and I'm Latino, so it's Hispanic. Welcome to the family. My Yank. Really happy to have you here, man. And if you ever have any questions or you're looking to, learn more each day, like I said, I'm always here 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So like this is kind of, I live on the east side of Canada. So here in Ontario, close to Toronto. That's kind of our timing here. India. That's awesome, my friend. Great to have you. Okay, so let's take a look. GJ. So GJ was I like GJ. But again, guys, like GJ right now is just ranging. And I've been saying this for a while, guys. You can see it here, and I that's why I drew this here for a bit, right? GJ is in a range, and it's not, I'm not really liking it, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? We have done trades in the past. Obviously, you don't see it because now what I'm doing is I'm just clearing my charts just so that it's easier and cleaner for you guys to see. But you can see that price has been ranging, just waiting for a breakout so we can start seeing some, trending markets, right? But in the meantime, it's just been ranging right now. And to be honest, it's been kind of bearish a little bit, but there's no sense of, I don't see any trades or anything like that. Don't see any buys yet. If anything, it's more like sells, but nothing I'd want to get into yet. So for GJ. Welcome, guys. A couple more people are joining us. Welcome, welcome, welcome. GBP odd, same thing, guys. We are currently ranging with GBP odd. No buys, no sells. I mean, you can trade within the range, but I don't typically recommend it. GBP US, I believe I was looking for buys. Yes, we got the push. Remember, I highlighted this, and then look at the arrow that I had here before. Obviously, it's very, you got to know what you're doing. Can we take a trade in USD/JPY? Can we take a trade? I don't. So I don't like to tell you to take a trade. I'm just sharing with you my analysis. So it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. I mean, it's totally up to you based off of whatever you see me say, if I should or not. So I can tell you what I'm doing, and I can tell you that I have gotten in. Obviously, it's going to take a while. Like, it's not going to just melt right now. It's going to take a while, right? Maybe when we wake up in the morning, this will most likely be down here. And we can look back. Either way. And again, if it doesn't go this way, that's totally fine. Remember, trading is all about probabilities. It's all about doing proper risk management. It's all about, trading responsibly, right? And so that's what I love about my channel, is that I try to make it as simplified as possible for you guys. You know what I mean? Just because, like I've said in the past, over and over, I want to be able to give you guys the help that I didn't get and the clarity that I didn't have when I was learning. You know what I mean? Because there's so much information out there, guys, that it's so confusing. You don't know what to listen to. You don't know which ones. You don't know who's being, 100% honest or upfront. So there's so much to learn. And that's the thing with my channel, guys. I want to create, and I have been able to create, my Blessed Traders Academy, which is amazing. You guys can join. You can join the family on Facebook. I do got a Facebook group, Blessed Traders Academy. You can find us by clicking the link below in my description. You'll be able to see the link there of the Facebook group. A beautiful community of people that have joined me there. But not only that, I'm also going to be, I do have a Telegram as well, and you can join us on our Telegram group as well. And I do have like my own mentorship with a couple of students. It's very, very intimate, nothing too big. Like, I'm not selling a course or anything like that. Maybe in the future, I have been getting requests and stuff like that. But honestly, guys, my main focus for you guys is just to be able to give you guys as much value as possible. So that's my focus right now, and we'll see what the future holds. But yeah, so let's take a look here before I call it a night, guys. Zen Pip, hey bro, where do you learn trading from? Man, I learned trading on my own a lot at first, but I learned from kind of like my main mentors. I have my main mentor was, I learned from Kubera. So Kubera is like the IML kind of version. That's how I got introduced to Forex and cryptocurrency markets. But I learned from a mentor of mine. His name was Jack from Toronto. He taught me a lot. He taught me a lot about just basic market structure. I took his course. It cost me about 300 Canadian. It wasn't that much. And he really just, it was like a course, like very, very basic course. And he literally just did a Skype support, and he helped me out so much, man, like so much. And he really just taught me the basics. And that's kind of what like kickstarted everything. So like IML, like Kubera, all these like MLM companies, I don't recommend. Like, I mean, they're great for like personal development, but it has nothing to do with trading. They use the trading knowledge to be able to make profits and stuff, and that's great. But like they teach you just the basics, right? They're not really teaching you how to trade. They're just teaching you how to invest, right? So there's nothing wrong with IML or any of these other companies, but that's just like trading isn't their main focus, and that's not really the focus of IML or Kubera or iGenius or all that stuff. So they're great companies and all, but it's just not what I'm looking at doing. I'm a trader. That's my focus, right? Yes, IML is IM Academy. Yes. So like I said, it's good for like intro and stuff, but this is not. Yes, it's an MLM company. Exactly. So, I mean, that's what helped me kind of get introduced into the markets. But essentially, like I had my mentor here in Toronto. Like I said, I found him online. He was like, promoting his course. And yeah, he taught me a lot of the basics and stuff like that. So then, obviously, I bought a lot of courses. I followed Lambo Raul. I bought his course in Day Trading Lab, learned a lot about that. So I just kind of absorbed a little bit of everything, really. But I was very selective with who I learned from. And so, obviously, over the span of years, one of the other guys I really followed was RoxFX. That man really taught me a lot about just market structure as a whole. I bought his course as well. And guys, like, what can I tell you? I've spent a lot of money on courses, but there's no regret because it's the best thing that I ever did. I see you are lucky. Why am I lucky, my guy? Why am I lucky? So please tell me. No, I'm joking. I know. We're all lucky. We're all very fortunate. Yeah. Then so I bought his course. I bought his lifetime course, which is nice. RoxFX. Shout out to him. Really great teacher. Lots of information in there too. Obviously, like, not everyone can afford his course and stuff like that. But really, really, really learned a lot from him too. So basically everything that I've learned today and the individual that I've become has been a mix of everything. A mix of everything that I've learned, and I've grasped the overall basics of being able to understand how to be successful in trading as a whole, but also in the Forex market. So it's just been a blessing. It's been a blessing, but it's taken a lot of work, a lot of, a lot of time, a lot of sacrifice, a lot of losing money in the beginning. But being able to, become profitable and maintain that is huge, and it's a blessing. So lucky to be away from my mom. Absolutely. Like I said, it's a whole different ball game. That has nothing to do with industry at all. So definitely blessed and thankful to be able to trade and be able to, as long as you got a laptop and an internet connection, you're golden, right? You can be anywhere around the world. So it's really, really nice. Welcome everyone. We've got a few people joining us. So welcome to my channel. I am here every single day, live streams Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And welcome guys, welcome. We're going to take a look at a couple more charts before I go to bed, because I got to be back here at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you guys are finding these videos or you're enjoying these videos, please do me a favor and hit that like button. Really appreciate it, guys. It's absolutely free. It also helps the channel. So yeah, guys, as you saw, honestly, like if you look at my previous live stream or the live stream I had this morning, it's crazy. Like all of these setups, like I literally told you guys, like you can watch the videos from today, from this morning. I was literally saying we can expect price to come back up one more time and retest this. We've got some sort of a double top formation here on the 1 hour. And I said it, price could potentially come back one more time before pushing down further. And then we were just seeing this kind of consolidation in the meantime, this kind of like little range here. And And then I said, I need to see price break below these lows for me to start looking for sells. And that's what we got. And then I said, the next target, look for sells below this key level. And then price broke, pretty much hit this profit area that I have selected here right now. And so remember that I left these arrows here as well too. And I was like, okay, so price is going to break down, pull back up, and then continuation to the downside. And so that's what we're looking at now. And if you guys notice right now, we are forming a double top formation here within this pullback. So we can expect a continuation to the downside. Let's go, let's go. Let's take a look at Euro US. Oh yeah, we already did. We already looked at Euro US. My bad. So yeah, so anyways, we're waiting on that for probably like a double top formation. We're waiting to see a little bit more rejection. So we're waiting for price to come back up one more time, one or two, or a few more times, or kind of let it range a little bit and see a couple, like a bearish candle formation or like some sort of like rejection, heavy rejection. And once we see that price is failing to push higher, then we can start looking for some sells. Also, we want to start looking at sells once we get that rejection, and then we start seeing price slowly start melting down and break these lows. Then we can start looking for some good sell setups for Euro US. Welcome, guys. Comment below. Don't be shy, guys. Let me know if you need any help with anything, guys, or you want me to look over any charts, any pairs. Euro JPY 4 hour bearish, just from looking at it, bearish. And then you can see that price did pull back, and then we are seeing that bearish sentiment, but we do need to see price break these lows. Once we see price break these lows, we are looking for some clean sells. Let's see. Yeah, we gotta see price break this though. Price doesn't break these lows, then I'm not looking for any sells. It's just gonna be arranging. Yeah, we gotta look for a break of structure, then we can start looking for a break and retest, and then a continuation to the downside. Yeah, so, and then if we go up to the 4 hour, again, we're kind of still in this range. Okay, we're still in this range. Mr. Harpreet Sign, welcome to the channel, my friend. Have you subscribed to us already? Have you joined the family? Have you guys joined the family yet? Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know if you're enjoying these videos. So yeah, 4 hour look. You see that bearish candle forming right there at the bottom of this previous candle close? That to me on a 4 hour is indicating bearish sentiment. Where can I expect targets? I mean, we can expect targets to this level here, and then the following target level below here. And hence, this is why I'm expecting a push. Once we break these lows, a push down here, then a pullback. Where is it going to stop for that pullback? Potentially this level here. Potentially. And then it pulls back, and then it continues down further. Not 100%. Nothing's 100% guaranteed. But this gives us an idea of what the market can be potentially doing, right? an idea of the overall direction of the market. That's kind of what we want to look for, guys. Okay. So, yeah. We'll look at these trades tomorrow morning anyways, guys. So we're going to be looking at these trades tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. because I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, guys. So don't you guys worry about that. We're going to be looking at some looking at these trades and looking to make some nice profits. US 30, perfect. So like I said, this is a level of structure that I'm looking at. Let's go down to daily. I mean, we got the pullback break. I need a retest, guys. I'm looking for a retest. I'm looking for a price to pull back up for US 30. So I mean, sorry, my mistake. US 30, my US 100. My mistake, guys. Oh my God, it's 2 in the morning. It's 2 in the morning, guys. But yeah, so you guys know what I'm saying, anyways. That's the point. I'm expecting price to pull back, but price is not really doing anything at the moment. And what we want to see is like some sort of like a head and shoulders pattern or something. We want to see price react to this level. We want to see some sort of rejection here, guys, and see some sort of a pullback. We can start seeing kind of like a slight little, counter trend pullback. You know what I mean? Because we've already broken this upwards trend, right? So price broke this upwards trend line, and now we're expecting price, and it broke previous market structure here. You can see price broke these lows here, and so now we're expecting some sort of a pullback, some sort of exhaustion, right? Price is going to exhaust, take a break, and pull back. But what time standard you use or where from? Like, what do you mean there? Like, what do you mean? Like, what standard do I use? Not sure I'm understanding what you're trying to say. Like, you mean what time frame? Is that what you're talking about? Anyways, so that's what we're looking at, guys. So this is again, good potential buys, but nothing right now. Nothing yet. We need to see rejection within this level before we start looking for buys, and then a continuation. Once we get those buys going up in this level slowly, we can get in a couple of trades here, and then we look for heavy rejection within this level here, and then we start looking for some sort of like a double top on the 4 hour, some sort of like, strong indication that price is pulling back. And then once price starts pulling back, we can start looking at this level again. And once we see price break this key level, then we can start looking for a change of market direction and overall market structure. Like, what time standard do you use, or where are you from? Okay, where from? So Toronto, Canada, and so yeah, like Eastern Standard Time. So that's like Toronto, Canada. So right now it's 1:32 a.m. here in Canada. Welcome, guys. People that are just joining us right now, welcome. Let me know, guys, in the comments below. Are you guys understanding how I'm explaining everything? I want to make sure you guys are enjoying it and understanding it. And let me know if you're finding this helpful, because that makes me happy knowing that you guys are understanding everything the way I'm explaining it and everything. Please let me know. When you said we will see trades next morning, so I don't get when is that? So for me right now it's 1:33 a.m. So I'm gonna go to bed for like a couple hours, and literally I'm gonna be back up at 6 a.m. But I'm gonna be going live again at 6:30 a.m. my time. So 6:30 a.m. here in Canada. Yeah. So yeah, for like if you don't know, like if you're around the world right now or wherever you are, yeah, like if you'll be able to just put like Eastern Standard Time, and then you'll be able to find me. Pradi Kumar, wow, YouTube recommended me your channel, my feed now. Good job, man. Hey, Pradi, man, happy to have you here, man. That's awesome, man. Don't forget to join the family. Welcome if it's your first time. I do videos every single day, guys, from Monday through Friday, from 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Canada. And so, yeah, so I'm always here. So if you look here, guys, I've been pretty active here on my channel. So, and I've been pretty consistent. So it's channel's main focus here. So feel free to join me, guys. Every single morning, I'm always live, and sometimes you'll notice that I do get on pre-London. So right now, later in the evenings or in the nighttime. So that is also like a little added bonus. I do come on live to help you guys out. So hopefully I'm gonna go move to Toronto soon. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. That's really cool. Yeah. Toronto's beautiful. It's a nice city. It's a nice city. I wouldn't say beautiful, but it's nice. It's a really nice city. It's a big city. All right, guys. So US 30. We failed to hold support. So remember what I put here this morning. Anything below this level, we can expect sales break of structure. So two things. Either price, I don't think price is done yet. And I think, and this is, we're not looking at trades right now for this specific, like US 30, we're not looking for any trades right now. Why? Because price could still be just faking out, right? Remember that these key levels or supports, they're not a straight line, okay? These are zones, they're areas, okay? They're not anywhere very specific. That's why price can wick, right? It could wick like this, right? And then it could come back in. So it's just an area of significance where price reacts, right? So there's no exact place. So do you see how I just did that? So technically, if you look at it, I just made it a little bit thicker, and then technically it's not even a fake out, or it's not breaking below, right? So within this, guys, how do we identify that? Okay, then price is going to reject this level, right? How is price? What's price going to do, right? And the only way we're able to know this is basically by looking at how prices, what kind of pattern formations price is doing, what type of pattern, like candle patterns, are we looking at? Are they looking bullish? Are we seeing heavy wick rejections, right? Are we seeing rejections like this, right? Look at these wick rejections like that. Are we seeing bullish candles, right? So once we start seeing that type of overall sentiment within these levels, knowing that that's a key level of significance where price is reacting, right? We can then say, okay, we're finally going to get this pullback that we've been expecting, right? And the overall sentiment of price is starting to change, right? It's starting to go from all this bearish, shorts and sells and whatever. Now the market's starting to shift. Now we're looking for buys, right? And so that's why right now I'm not looking at a trade at all. And we're just looking to just kind of wait out and see what price is going to do, right? So just wanted to explain that to you guys, just so that you guys can understand it a little bit better. Just waiting. That's why I keep track of the Toronto. Hopefully you're going to, okay. Oh, nice, man. That's awesome. Just waiting for Visa. That's really cool. How much dollars you earned yesterday, bro? On which pair? I didn't really trade anything yesterday. Yeah, so that's US 30, guys. Bitcoin, we're still seeing some rejection here. So we're seeing some rejection here. This is good. So this is the type of rejection we want to see. We want to see this kind of range. What we want to see is price kind of break out within this range to the upside. And then we can kind of look at this pullback before it continues to the downside, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We've got lots of people joining us right now. But it is 2 a.m. here, so I'm going to be leaving shortly. But if you guys did enjoy this live stream, feel free to join me every single day, Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Canada. And I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me here in the channel, and look forward to joining you guys in a couple hours. I'm going to be back here at 6:30, so in a couple hours, technically. Ethereum looking good. Ethereum looks like it's not holding this. It's holding the support, so it's not looking like it's not going to break down below. That's good. So we're looking at this double bottom formation on the 4-hour. Price broke up. It's retesting these highs right now. So we can expect a continuation for Ethereum up to these levels here. In the meantime, short-term continuation to the upside within this range. All right, guys. So I will let you guys go. I do have to wake up in a couple hours because I'm going to be going live again at 6:30. So I will catch you guys at 6:30. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment below, and also share it with your friends or anyone that is looking to learn how to trade. Really appreciate it, guys. Also, make sure you check my description under the video and make sure you follow me on all my socials, as well as join me in my Facebook group, Blessed Traders Academy. Thanks so much, guys. Really appreciate you guys. Really appreciate the support. I will catch you guys until next time, and I'll see you soon.